Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 240 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray, and I recently got this in an Ulta Beauty sample bag, gift with purchase type of thing. So this is just a little trial size, but the full size version retails for $10. And this can be used as a setting spray, but it can also be used as a primer. So today I already have my makeup done, so I'm going to be using it as a setting spray. But when I read that it could also be used as a primer, that was really intriguing to me. But so even though this is matte, it does claim to be conditioning and moisturizing to the skin because it contains aloe and vitamin E, and then it also contains cucumber and sweet almond extract, which I used to be allergic to almonds, so I'm glad that I'm not, but it's so surprising that there are ingredients like that in a product like this. So people with nut allergies have to be so careful even when it comes to like makeup and skincare products, because I find that sweet almond oil is in a lot of different products. So I have combination skin, like I've mentioned before. My skin gets very dry on my chin, but then it gets really greasy along my nose, my cheeks, and my forehead. So I've been trying to find products that will keep me from getting so greasy as the day goes on. And I did try out that NYX matte setting spray, and I really liked how it looked for the first few hours, but as the day went on, I still got pretty oily and greasy, even with that mattifying setting spray. So I'm very interested to see if this Ulta Beauty brand will be any better, if it'll help keep my skin matte for longer. So I'm just going to start out by spraying it 6 to 8 inches away from my face all over. Wow, I feel like my face is fully drenched right now, but I definitely notice that cucumber extract scent. So this really smells so nice, so refreshing and calming. So I really like that so far. Okay, so like I said, I just completely coated my whole face in this, and now that it's dried down, I am not seeing any sort of mattifying effect. If anything, my skin looks more dewy than before I applied this. I'm especially noticing that shine and dewiness on my forehead along here. So I definitely don't get that matte claim to this setting spray, but other than that, I do really like how this feels, how this looks if I'm not expecting it to be mattifying, because my makeup does look very smooth, intact, and my skin does feel nicely hydrated. It doesn't feel sticky or have any sort of texture. The makeup's not coming off of my fingers after touching my face. So I guess if I'm ignoring the fact that this is a matte setting spray, and if I'm just thinking of it as a normal setting spray, it's nice so far. I like that my makeup looks very natural now, the way it's sitting on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear my makeup like this for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna leave in the description down below how my makeup wears. I'm gonna let you know if this setting spray helps keep my makeup in place for hours and hours, and maybe since it has that matte claim, it'll help prevent my skin from getting really greasy as the day goes on. So I'll let you know about that in the description down below, so that I'm giving this product a full wear test and really giving it a chance. Because as far as just setting sprays go, I like the scent and I like the way it looks on my skin. So a very quick review. I still don't know right now if I love this product or not, so as the day goes on, I'm going to figure that out. Make sure you read down below. Thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.